Today I'm going to start putting dirt in my boxes. I went and picked up the dirt at the developer's helper. It's a garden mix. It's compost, manure, and just regular topsoil mixed together. So it's a blend. So I'm gonna put that in my boxes right here. And I got the crew here helping me. So we'll see what we can get done.
You're not gonna escape, Mr. Hawks. Oh yeah, Hawks.
Mr. Frog.
Oh yeah. Oh, and well, he's not a bullfrog.
If you're here, can I touch him?
Ooh.
Can I?
Yeesh.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just doing it.
I actually added 2 more beds. I said I was going to do 2 and then see how they went, but I thought, well, I'm just going to go ahead and do all 4 of them. And what I did is I went and got 4 yards of garden mix, which consisted of compost, manure, and dirt, all mixed up. So I just got that put in, and now I'm going to plant a variety of plants. We're going to tomatoes and peppers, and I have here some strawberries. I'm going to throw them in one of them, and we're going to see how it works. So anyway, we're excited. I have my granddaughters here and my daughter, and we're all going to get in here and get these planted. This is 18 inches apart, the spacing. So this is 36, well, it's 4 feet wide, but I'm only going to put,
That's as big as me.
I'm going to put 2 and just use this bed for the strawberries. So
Okay, just this bed. I'm gonna plant one in the corner, okay, Papa?
Well, we'll see.
Manure. You of a horse and a calf.
Now strawberries are they kind of grow, and when these things grow out and then they lay down, well, they'll actually start another plant. So they kind of spread out, so they're going to get pretty thick.
They're probably gonna go over the sides.
My uncle had a farm. He did have a farm, and I worked for him for a little while, and he grew different vegetables and sold them at a roadside market. And I know a little bit about farming, but I'm not as adept with it as some people are. So anyway, we're going to give a shot and see what happens here. I know the girls here are just really excited about it. Okay, you got to dig the hole. Not too. Well, see, you got this plant right here, and it's going to fit down in there. But when we plant them, we got to take it out of here. And I actually got some potting soil to go with these. And kind of break up this root a little bit.
You don't want to kill it.
Well, I'm not killing it. Push it in there. Around the side. That's it. Doesn't look like much now. It almost looks like it's dead, but it'll bounce back. It gets to growing.
Nice, ripe,
All right,
juicy
Jean.
straw. Oh, there's a little flower
Now,
on
actually,
here.
I think this plant, this here, actually, you could probably just leave these in the container. We'll just open this up a little bit. I don't know where I got these. I've had them a while. I kept them instead of throwing them away, and I'm going to use them to let my beans grow up and hang off of them. All right. Okay, on this side,
A salt sprinkler.
on this side here where we got herbs, I mean, we just kind of threw a lot of different things out. We're gonna see how it goes. So maybe it's just gonna all grow together. I don't know. We'll find out. So this is kind of our test plot right here. All 4 of these. So we're gonna see how they grow, and the kids are gonna watch them, and grandkids are gonna watch them, and watch these things grow and see the work that we did and see what happens. You know, we're going to throw them out and we're going to trust in God to provide the increase. But we have to go out and plant and water, and God provides the increase. And this is going to be exciting. We're excited about it. And I hope that you enjoy watching these videos. And anyway, this is the start of what we have going. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll keep you filled in on how this garden is progressing and growing and how God's blessing it. So again, thanks for watching. Well, we got our garden planted, and we're going to water it and take care of it, and that's about all we can do, but God gives the increase. So Father in heaven, we just thank you for the opportunity that we have to work on this garden together with the family, and we just thank you, and we ask that you would give us the increase, Father, and bless our efforts. And may this garden be fruitful and just be a blessing to not only our family, but to many families that we were able to give this fruit to, or these vegetables to, rather. And we just thank you for it all in Jesus' holy, precious name. Amen.
Amen.
There it is.
So if you show me
Yay! Now
so
then
many
we're gonna have
shivering
juicy
because
strawberries.
it's really cold out here.